Hello and welcome to Design by Misha, a YouTube channel that brings to you a lot of ideas and inspiration for your home. Luxury is back and it's affordable. Thanks to glass with digital print, we can provide designs according to our need and it can be printed on glass using a simple digital file. This technology allows us to achieve the aesthetic and functional requirement of the project. Thanks to digital printing on glass, we can show the grain of different type of marble and even stone like onyx and granite. The glass marble can thus be used in interior design as the surface of a table as well as wall coating. Even if we expose to UV rays and adverse environmental conditions such as exposure to bad weather or temperature variations, printed glass maintain the characteristic of the glass and retain the color. Any design or pattern can be achieved. Besides having a great visual impact, the glass can also help in maintaining privacy in certain applications. Finally, this allows us to meet not only aesthetic but also functional needs. Printing on selective high-performance glass can improve thermal insulation and comfort by controlling the solar factor. It can be applied to any flat or curved glass surface destined to be tempered. For interior or exteriors, all printed glass is subsequently tempered. There is also the possibility of subdividing an image into parts to be applied to different portions of glass. Digital printing with gold foiling and epoxy is also available. The glass comes in 8x4 sheet and can be made in custom size as well. The cost is generally around 1800 rupees per square feet. As you can see, these digitally printed glass panel can change the entire look of a space. Not only do they look great, but they can be customized according to the customer needs. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to click the like button. So until next time, goodbye and take care.